Good morning. It's Friday the 31st of August. Good morning. And we've just taken delivery of our garage slash workshop from Waltons garages. It's just arrived at 5 to 7 in the morning, and oh, here it is. Oh, that's a lot of wood. I think that's wood in there as well. So it's a sectional garage that we're going to put together, and this is where it's going to be, which is just here. There was an original concrete base down on the floor just there. It's my dog Brock, he always helps with the single garage that was really old and sort of falling down. And we've extended the concrete base here with the help of a local guy and his digger and his tractor and stuff. So he's dug out that trench for us and sorted the concrete and taken away all the old garage, which is spot on. These are the sheets from the garage roof, which we'll need to take to the tip. We've arranged to take those away safely. We think the concrete sheets, but there's a slight possibility they might be asbestos, so we're treating them as asbestos. And we've wrapped them all up, ready to go. So, a bit of a mess, but this is going to be the site of the new garage. Oh, there's a bit of it coming in already. No time like the present. That's the first bit laid. Hooray!
That's the length of it.